हेलो बच्चों, लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन. A load of 2 kg produces an extension of 1 millimeter in a wire of 3 meter in length and 1 millimeter in diameter. The young modulus of the wire will be. ठीक है, यंग मॉड्यूलस की वैल्यू चाहिए हमें. तो चलिए की कॉन्सेप्ट हो जाएगा हमारा. Y is equals to young modulus is equals to force per unit area into original length by change in length. Okay, what is given to the question? Let us collect. Load of 2 kg means जो F है वो 2 kg दिया है, उसे न्यूटन में कर लेते हैं. So this will be 2 into 9.8 is equals to, okay, ये हो जाएगा हमारा 19.6 न्यूटन. Then extension is 1 millimeter. So extension means change in length जो दिया है हमारा 1 millimeter. यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं 10 to the power -3 मीटर. वायर की लेंथ जो दी है हमें वो है दी है 3 मीटर. एंड द डायामीटर ऑफ द वायर इज गिवन. सो डायामीटर दिया है हमें 1 मिलीमीटर. ओके, सो डायामीटर के लिए हम लिख सकते हैं 10 to the power -3 मीटर इज द डायामीटर. सो द रेडियस विल बी 10 to the power -3 divided by 2 meter. Okay, now let us put all the values over here. So Y will be force that is 19.6 divided by area will be pi r square. So pi 3.14 multiplied by r is 1 by 2 into 10 to the power -3 whole square multiplied with original length 3 meter divided by change in length 10 to the power -3. Further, this will be solved like 19.6 into 3 multiplied by 2 into 2 divided by 3.14 multiplied by 10 to the power -9. 10 raised to the power ऊपर चला जाएगा. This will become 235.2 divided by 3.14 into 10 to the power 9. This will be +9 now. सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारी वैल्यू आएगी 7.74.80 into 10 to the power 9. Then it will become 7.48 into 10 to the power 10 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पर ये जो यंग मॉड्यूलस की वैल्यू है 7.48 into 10 to the power 10 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर. So which option is correct? Option C, 7.48 into 10 to the power 10 Newton per meter square is correct. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.